Hello everyone, in this video we're going to go through the steps to uninstall the Windows 10 version 21H1 to roll back to your previous installation, including version 20H2 or 2004. Similar to version 20H2, the uninstall process of the feature update will be different depending on the version of Windows 10 that you have running on the computer. So this particular video will show you the steps to uninstall 21H1 if you upgraded using Windows Update. So to uninstall the update, use these steps. Open Settings, go to Update and Security, and then go to Windows Update. Here, click the View Update History option. Then click the Uninstall Updates option. Then select Feature Update to Windows 10 21H1 via Enablement Package KV5000736. And now click the Uninstall button. Click Yes to confirm. Now click the Restart Now button. And it is that easy. Now you're back to your previous version of Windows 10. You can confirm that you had successfully removed the update by opening Settings, then open System, and on About under Windows Specifications, you can confirm that version now is 20H2. Remember to like the video, leave your comments, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.